everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and today's video is going to be a clean with me. I am going to be cleaning pretty much the whole house, but it's going to be a little bit different than my previous clean with me videos. I am going to spread the cleaning out over 2 days, so you'll see me in a different outfit, you'll see me with different hair. That is why I'm going to start during my daughter's afternoon nap. My son ended up falling asleep too, so I took advantage and crammed as much as I could in during nap time, and then I finished up the next day during the morning time. We had family coming into town, so I just wanted everything to be as organized and as clean as possible. I'm starting in the kitchen, unloading the dishwasher, and then I will reload it once it is unloaded. We got everything we need right here. Let's just take a minute to talk about this sippy cup. I didn't even realize that was there for the longest time. It's a sippy cup full of milk that one of my kids had put in there before starting the dishwasher. So yeah, it ran through the dishwashing cycle. So nice, hot, probably curdled milk in the sippy cup. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. I'm just going to be using some glass cleaner like Windex to clean the outside of the microwave, and then I will be using a vinegar and water mixture in a spray bottle and spraying that inside the microwave and cleaning out all of the food gunk that has been left behind and sprayed about the microwave while cooking. And I also took the glass plate out and I washed that in the sink by hand and then dry it and put it back, and everything is all nice and fresh. Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Moving on to the stove, I'm using a Lysol hydrogen peroxide cleaning spray. Doesn't smell very good, but it does get the job done, and I was running out of cleaners, so that'll have to do for today. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. I'm going to be using Clorox cleanup bleach spray in the kitchen and a sponge to scrub it down. If you've been around for a while and you've seen my other cleaning videos, then you know that I clean my sink really often because it gets very dingy very easily, and this is the best way for me to brighten it up. I've tried a bunch of other things, but the bleach cleanup spray works the best. And then I'm just going to go in with a little scrub brush around the faucet and scrub the edges because they seem to be super dingy lately. I'm going to be using that same Lysol spray to wipe down our counters, to wipe down the dining table, and to wipe down our kitchen island as well. So I got these super cute letters, magnetic letters at the dollar spot from Target for my little ones. If you guys have toddlers, I highly recommend getting them or going to check out for Target to see if they have them. My kids are obsessed with playing with them. They have so much fun and they do it for so long, and I love that it's educational. If you still have the school supply stuff at your Target, run, go get you some. They're really good. The kids love them. Then I am using the Lysol spray on the refrigerator as well. Moving on to picking up the living room because my kids have thrown toys all over the place, and it's not a disaster, but it ain't right. We got this. has been picked up quite a bit. I can vacuum without running anything over. Why am I like this? Now that the vacuuming is done, I am going to move on to cleaning the downstairs bathroom. It has been a hot minute. Luckily, it doesn't get too dirty, but I'm going to be using Windex to clean the mirror, and I'm also using it to clean the sink because I'm about that life right now. Just easy, get it done, and Windex works great on everything. And I'm using the Clorox bleach cleanup spray to spray the toilet to get any tingle sprinkles off of the toilet seat. And I'm just using an Up and Up toilet bowl cleaner to clean the toilet bowl. Day 2, and I have a little cleaning buddy. Nobody asked him to clean, he just did it all on his own, which is so nice. I love when they just want to help with cleaning.
Here's my Xoxo. Where have you been?
I also had my husband helping with the cleaning, which is so nice. I had 2 wonderful men helping me clean. What is life? It was so nice. So I guess it's a good thing that I did wait and I spread out the cleaning over 2 days. Tegan was so helpful. He wanted to make his bed, he wanted to pick up the toys, and I took full advantage of him wanting to help.
Anywhere you go, I'll follow you. Follow you, I will follow you. Anywhere you go, I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
Cleaning my kids' bathroom because this will also be the bathroom that our guests will be using, so I want to make sure it's super nice and clean for them when they come to stay with us and they need to take a shower or use the restroom. I am going to be using the Clorox cleanup cleaner plus bleach spray, and then I'm going to be scrubbing it really well in this bathtub. Bathtub is usually pretty clean. I clean it often because I like the kids to have a clean bathtub to bathe in. I'm also going to be using that cleanup cleaner plus bleach spray on the toilet, and I will be using it on the countertops and the sink as well. If you haven't gotten the O-Cedar Easy Ring Mop yet, I highly recommend getting it. It works so well. I'm super obsessed with it. And then I love using it with this Better Life floor cleaner that I'm currently obsessed with. It's a citrus mint scent and it works so nice. And it's really great for in the bathroom because it gives it such a nice fresh scent and it doesn't leave it smelling like a bathroom. Not that my bathroom smells like a bathroom, but you know what I'm saying. And as you can see, my husband helped me make the bed today. A for effort. It isn't exactly how I would make it, but the fact that he did make it, he needs credit for it because he wasn't asked to do it. He just went and he did it, and it was such an amazing surprise for me. Is anybody else obsessed with carpet lines? Oh my gosh, they're so satisfying. We need our carpet restretched, so don't mind the bump in the middle of the carpet. It is super annoying to me too. But those carpet lines, guys, they seriously are amazing. I just love carpet lines so much. When you get your carpets cleaned and you have those carpet lines, nothing beats it.
When I'm lonely, you know I miss you the most. When I'm lonely, you know.
And back downstairs we go to finally get around to mopping the floors. And I'm using the same combo that I used upstairs. Hot water in the O-Cedar Easy Ring Mop bucket and that Better Life Squirt Mop floor cleaner that is the citrus mint scent. It is so good. I will have it linked down below. It's not an affiliate link. It is just something that I really love, and I think you guys will really enjoy it too.
Inside your bedroom, we saw.
I hope that this video is getting you motivated to get up and get your cleaning done. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and thank you so much for watching. It seriously means the world to me to have you guys here. If you are new, stick around and subscribe to my channel. We would love to have you join the family. I hope that you have a super amazing day, and thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!